So hello guys, welcome back to our channel. I am Soham, you are watching Soham Tiger channel. In today's video we are going to make our own game using code.org. Let's begin with an intro. So guys, today we are making a game like this one. Loading. Okay, done. So today we are making game like this one. A bouncing game in which the background should be random and we have to goal the ball into the goal post. So let's begin. Now we are going to Google and search in code.org and enter. Then go to sign in. Sign in. If you have not any account, then you have to click on this. Otherwise, you have already account. Then you have to fill this information. Otherwise, continue with Google, Facebook, or Microsoft. So okay. Then we are going to the create and clicking on view all projects, then going to view full list and then click on bounce. Let's start the coding. Let's code this one. So when run, then launch a ball. The ball should become and this one. Next, move right, move left. When clicking left, right arrow and left arrow. Then when ball hits pedal, pedal means this one. Then bounce ball. When the ball hits wall, when ball hits wall, bounce ball. Okay. Then ball in goal. Score point and launch a new ball. Then when ball misses pedal, then launch a new ball and score opponent. So we are done our code. Let's play it. So this is our boring game. It is not much difficult, but there are right codes which we have written. When ball is missed, the opponent's score is increased, and when I click right arrow, then it is moving right, and when the left arrow clicking, then it is moving left. So it is not much difficult, and it is so slow. And so I will go on this two. When click set this one and this one. Okay, click on this. Ball speed should be very fast and fast. So I should see that ball speed is very fast and paddle speed is fast. That is not much than paddle. So ball. Okay, we are done pretty with this game, and now there comes some changes. So we have to change the paddle, ball and the background. So we will put this and last. So if you want to change the paddle to C2 retro and ball should be hardcore and then retro. You can see this background with all the things. Okay, so I will put this on random. So it will choose random retro or random ball, seed or paddle. Okay, let's run the game. This is now ready. Opponent score and background is also pretty different. It's not pretty different. It's a hardcore background full. Let's reset. Let's play. Oh, background is changed. Ball is also different, but background and paddle is changed. Okay, we are done with this game. And next is to rename the game. I rename the game of bounce ball. Bounce ball. Okay, so I will save it and share it. Copy link to project, or you can share to phone, Facebook or Twitter. Okay, so let's paste the link, enter, and this is our game, bounce ball. We have created this game with our own. So guys, this is much for this video, and like, share and subscribe to my channel and like this video. Thanks for watching and share this video to much and much people. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.